You know, the problem is that accidents can occur at any age. The fire can involve a newborn who is born before few hours to 90-year-old. So nobody is spared from major burns. And when a major burn occurs in a family or a relative or a friend, that time we have to beg for the skin. So no age is barred from the patient suffering. So anybody from the age of immediately born patient to the 90 or 95-year-old man also can have these major burns requiring. So you have to realize that today we are fine, that's why we don't worry about it. But it can happen to anyone, and then anybody can really require help. So age is no bar. First of all, no donation occurs when you are alive. You have to realize this. The donation occurs once you are no more in the world, whatever age patient passes away. So why we have to worry about something when we are not, which is going to be done post our awareness is gone. I think it's a very, very noble cause, and everybody should come forward, and like they are supporting the other organ drives, they should also support the skin donation drive. It will save millions of lives all over the world.